Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Ledger Secure Element Protections via Ledger Live easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Ledger Live on your computer or mobile device. Connect your Ledger device to your computer or mobile device using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Unlock your Ledger device by entering your PIN code. Once your device is connected and unlocked, navigate to the Manager tab in the Ledger Live application. In the Manager tab, find the option for Firmware Updates. Check if there is a firmware update available for your Ledger device. If there is an update, click on the Update button to begin the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the firmware update. Once the update is finished, your Ledger device will reboot automatically. After the reboot, return to the Ledger Live application. In the Manager tab, look for the Settings option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on Settings and then navigate to the Security section. In the Security settings, locate the option for Secure Element Protections. Toggle this setting to activate the Secure Element Protections. The application may prompt you to confirm your choice. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the activation process. Once activated, you will see a confirmation message indicating that Secure Element Protections are enabled. Disconnect your Ledger device safely from the application. Your Ledger device is now equipped with enhanced Secure Element Protections. Remember to regularly check for firmware updates via Ledger Live to maintain optimal security. That's it. You have successfully activated the Secure Element Protections on your Ledger device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.